The first option is to visit Cameron House. Now, this is a luxury Scottish hotel on the banks of Loch Lomond. It's beautiful just to stay in, but it was extra special on this night as they had the bonfire festivities. This is their new sort of ballroom wedding event space area. So it's something that's beautiful. It'd be great for a great event. But on the grounds were where the bonfire festivities were held. So on the balcony there, you can see this purple backlighting. They had a band, they had food tents, and then after all of that, after people arrived for a certain time, that's when the fireworks started. So this is the Nomad tent that was serving up pizza on the night. And then people are just walking up towards the balcony, which hosted the band that they had on for the night. There was a really large turnout, even though it was just like the first time that they had it. This is the band that they had on the night. There were lots of families with little children, just because Bonfire is a special day, especially for the children. That's what pulls the families out usually. And then after a certain time, the band became quiet, and then everybody started crowding near the area where the seaplane is parked, and that's where the fireworks were set off.